To include products from e-commerce websites in your design, start by uploading a room image and configuring your standard design preferences. When you reach the Insert Products from E-commerce field, simply copy the product link from the external website, paste it into the box, and click Add. The SuperRoom workspace will fetch the product data in a few seconds. Once complete, click on Reimagine Space. After the generation finishes, you will notice that the selected product from the e-commerce website has been seamlessly integrated into the new image.